Grandpa Gav.
No good. You were in pain. Is it still cramping?
What happened?
Gavin, go get Grandpa. Give him a hug. Go give him a hug.
Oh. Sorry.
What was that? What was that? I think you're going to pick me up and hold me, Grandpa.
Did you bump your head? Okay,
Yes.
Grandpa will kiss it.
Boo-boo.
Is it better?
Come here. You're right. Sorry. You stuck your head. Oh, let me kiss her. Better. 2 of them.
That's not even where you bumped it.
Over here. Oh, over here. You got a bump all over?
Yes.
Yeah, over here too.